Well, hello there. I am popping into your feed today to invite you to a workshop that I'm hosting on Tuesday, January the 17th. Do you have squirrel syndrome when it comes to focusing on the right things in your business? Are you tired of working in your business instead of on it? Not sure which systems you need to run your business more efficiently? Well, that is where I come in. So, during this 60 minutes hands on workshop, we're going to talk about how you can work smarter even if you're a team of one. I know you're busy, and I want to make sure that your business operations are able to support you and your growth goals in 2023. So, this interactive workshop is going to help you get clear on your mission and vision, help you pick a goal that fits the season that your life is in, and show you how to take small steps to build a strong business foundation with scalable systems. You're going to be set for 2023. You will know exactly what to focus on so that you can experience the growth you desire. So get ready to take control of your time and use your power as the CEO of your business to achieve success on your terms. This workshop is happening on Zoom, so you can join from wherever you're at. And I do hope that you join me on Tuesday, January the 17th, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's a special giveaway for everyone who attends live, and I hope to see you there.